Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Athabasca Falls in Jasper National Park, Alberta. This is one of the most visited and powerful waterfalls in the Canadian Rockies. The falls are about 23 meters high and around 18 meters wide. What makes them special is not just their height, but the strong flow of water. Even when the river is low, the Athabasca River pushes a huge amount of water through a narrow canyon, creating a loud, rushing sound and a lot of mist in the air. The Athabasca River begins at the Columbia Icefield. The water flows north from the icefield through Jasper National Park and continues for over 1,200 kilometers. Along the way, it passes through many beautiful places, including this waterfall. The rocks here are made of hard quartzite, which resists the force of the water. As you walk around the falls, you'll find several viewpoints and bridges that let you see the rushing water from different angles. It's a safe and easy walk, and the energy of the falls is truly exciting to see up close. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Athabasca Falls in Jasper National Park, Alberta.
Okay. Let's take this.